What's up, guys? Welcome back to our video. It's Alex with my son over here. We're taking a quick tail ride, and today it was hardtail day, so I thought I'd make a quick bike check on these two bikes, using that one a lot. Yeah, I've not seen that one quite a bit because it's actually my first time riding it. So let's go see what we got right now. So as you guys know, this is my custom painted Mongoose Ardor. That was the first time I built it. Was a 29er. Recently made it into 27.5 as it was supposed to be. And what we have over here, hillbilly grid tires, 27.5 by 2.6 front and back. Over here we have a box 4 8-speed shifter, and this is the shifter, box 4, and the derailleur. Again, this thing right here, good. Yes, very good. 11-speed cassette, 8-speed cassette with 11 to 40 45 tooth, 45 46 45 tooth. MPX11 crankset. This is a 175, no, it's 170. I had this on my Polygon for a little while. I'm rider pedals with the knobs. The saddle from my Polygon Siskiyou T8, and a stem. It's a race face stem. I think it's a 31.8, might be a 35. I think this might be a 35. I don't remember. Yeah, I think it's a 35 because these are my Entity branded handlebars. And we got the Maroka M4 4-piston brakes on the Ardor with the 180 in the front and rear. And that's what we're rocking on this one. Again, Rock Bros grips with the lock-on one side and a fun stem. Of course, this is my RockShox Judy fork. I think it's a 130 millimeters of travel. I replaced the stickers. No, I did not. Those are the original stickers, and these are the actual original Ardor wheels that I laced up with the XM 490 hubs front, and on the rear I have the Novatech, and I believe this is also the stock Ardor wheel that I laced up to this Novatech hub, and it's rocking pretty solid. And on the other hand, over here, this is my first ride on the Ragley Marley. As you know, this thing is supposed to be a 27.5, but I have it right now as a 29er with a lot of the components that I have used throughout my builds. WTB wheel set. These are 30, I think they're 35s. I-25. These are my original wheel set that I bought ever, and I'm still rocking them. They come with the through axle Novatech hubs. I'm rocking 203s rotors, and in this one I have the Zito 2-piston brakes, front and rear. I'm running tubes on both of the bikes. And then I have this Descendant 35 millimeter handlebar by 780 with a fun equalizer stem. Everything's with this one has a Zito. I think it's a Zito. I don't remember the bearings inside. That must be Zito because that's what I have over here. Over here I have an Exaform, but this is the one that has no cables, so you got the lever. Perfect for the application. I was struggling with the wires, so I'm like, whatever, I have that on hand. This is the first group set that I have ever bought. Box 2 11-speed derailleur and shifter. Again, box good, very good, very good. JG Bike crankset, JG Bike oval chain ring. I think it's a 32 tooth chain ring. This cool Verta, I wish I can find them again. These are very good so far. Again, this is my first ride, but I have the same set, except they're black on my Polygon CSQ-T8. These are the WTB Trail Boss 2.4 by 29. This is the original tires that came on my Polygon CSQ-T8. They have plenty of tread left. And again, I did not ride too much of the actual trail because I'm riding with my son. But I got the RockShox, not the RockShox, the SR Zone Tour Epixon, no, Raiden 34 fork. And I forgot how freaking smooth this thing is. I took a little bit of a trial by myself, and I just love how it sounds whenever you're doing these things right here. Again, first ride, cannot complain. Again, this is supposed to be a 27.5, but I have it as a 29er, and so far I like it. Hardtail kind of day for a smooth trail ride with my son. And I guess again over here, the components I use all the time, the Rock Bros grips over here. I like them a lot. My cell phone holder, cannot complain. I don't have a bottle cage for this one yet, but again, this is my first ride ever on this thing. So I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Just a quick bike check on a quick trail day. Really nice out here. Really good to be out enjoying the day with my son. And I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one. And I guess I will see you on the next one. Let's ride.
Bye.